In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email campaign design in Mailchimp's new builder. To get started, open your draft email campaign inside Mailchimp's new builder. Make sure you're working with the correct draft version before making any design updates, because this is where all of your visual changes will be applied. Once the draft is open, you'll be able to preview your campaign layout and adjust the overall appearance in a much more efficient way. Next, look for the Styles tab in the sidebar layout panel and click on it. This is where you can access the global design settings for your email. Think of this section as the central control area for your campaign's visual identity. Instead of changing every block one at a time, the Styles tab lets you set consistent design rules across the entire email, which helps everything feel polished and on brand. From there, choose your brand colors carefully. These colors will help define the overall look and tone of your campaign, so it's a good idea to use shades that match your existing brand materials. While you're in the same area, set your default text fonts. This determines how headings, body text, and other content will appear throughout the email. Selecting clear, readable fonts is especially important for email design, since your audience may be viewing the message on different screen sizes and devices. You can also adjust your global button rounding variables here. This controls the shape of your buttons across the campaign, whether you want sharper corners for a cleaner, more modern feel, or softer rounded corners for a friendlier look. Keeping this consistent helps your calls to action stand out while still matching the rest of the design. After setting your global styles, click directly on individual layout elements in the preview screen to customize block-specific design details. This is useful when you want more control over particular sections without changing the entire email. For example, you can fine-tune padding to create better spacing around content, or adjust borders to help separate sections visually. Making these smaller edits can improve readability and make the layout feel more balanced. Once you're happy with the overall design and any block-level adjustments, click Save to lock in your custom branding theme properties. Saving ensures your style choice